Hello, hola. Today I am heading to the Apple store to get my computer fixed. Then I'm gonna get some stuff for my new apartment. I'm actually on schedule. Look at that. So stay tuned. Oh, and by the way, I actually cleaned my shoes today. Oh, let me show you. So fresh and so clean. Yeah. Trust me, I have a habit of not cleaning my shoes. As you can see over there, doesn't look too bad, but they have been cleaned in a while. It's winter anyhow. Anyways, let me go get ready. So I'm at the Eaton Centre. Remember I was telling you that I'm early? Well, TTC made sure I'm late, so I am now 10 minutes late for my appointment, but that should be alright, so I'll see you when I get up. So the kitchen towels are 20% off today, so I am gonna get me that one. I think that's a good buy. So let's see. Hopefully this music doesn't get me, which color should I get? I'm gonna get a darker blue. So Williams-Sonoma ended up not working out because they don't have tap and my card is not working. So I'm just heading to the bank to see if I can get a replacement card, because they do have a sale on right now of where it's 20% off all kitchen products. So let's see if my bank is able to give me a new card. So see you guys later. I'm going to Winners after this also, so I'll see you in there. Hello. So today was quite productive. My computer is working. Ignore the toilet paper. And I got some stuff. So I will show you what I got rather. So let's take a quick little walk. So I went to HomeSense. I did not get the kitchen towels that I needed because I don't want to spend $26 for kitchen towels, but next time I get paid, I'll do that. So I did get a shower caddy for my shower. I'll show you guys when it's up. And what did I buy? So I have no salt, right? And no salt is important. And so I went, when I was in Winners, I saw this huge bottle of salt. It was for $12 something. It was $12.99. I have the price right here. Let me look into exactly what it is. Yeah, it was for $12.99. So I saw another bottle, an 18-ounce bottle of pink salt that was for $6.99. Do I want to spend the extra money? No. Did I go to the Starbucks prior and spend $6 on a latte? Yeah. So I was there trying to rationalize spending extra money for the salt. So there was an employee there, right? So I'm like, this makes more sense to buy the bigger bottle, right? She's like, yep. But I'm like, yeah, but I'm spending $6 more. Anyways, I ended up getting this huge thing of salt because it's for $12.99. The price tag is right here. So I got this $12.99. Really great. So this will last me a while. So I didn't cheap out and got me something that will last. And what else did I get? I got something else. Oh yeah. I'm gonna impale myself. Just digging in the bag. So I got me an, it's all wrapped. So I got me an OXO Good Grips storage container. This is for my lunch. I prefer the square one, so this was 10 bucks and normally they're like $20 a piece. So I got me this round one. I have another one up here that I use to store my stuff. Let me just turn the camera around and show you. Oh, this one I used to, I had several of them, but you know, when I was moving, I couldn't bring everything with me, so I got rid of them. But yeah, that I use for storing my food for the week in the fridge. And yeah, I also went to the supermarket. Wasn't a real shopping experience. I just went to get juice and a baguette and bananas. So see you guys tomorrow.